This tale just keeps getting more complex and stranger, and it's all about the Universal Ostrich Farm in Edgewood, BC. That's about 2.5 hours east of Kelowna. There's 400 ostriches there, and in December, there was a avian flu outbreak. 2 ostriches were tested positive with the disease. Dozens died, but then hundreds more survived. But the CFIA, as its policy is, it's ordered a stamping out policy, which means basically to cull the entire herd as they would do with chickens or geese or turkeys. The farm has been fighting this order for weeks and months, and they took it to court a couple of times, and they've invited supporters from all over Canada to come and join in the fight. News of this has since gotten out to prominent members of the U.S. Trump administration, including Secretary of Health Robert F. Kennedy Jr. and also Dr. Oz. Yes, the Dr. Oz from the TV show, who is now part of the administration. So they have written the CFIA and spoke to them in an interview last week, appealing to the Canadian government to save these ostriches. They believe that because the herd, much of it survived avian flu, that they have antibodies and antigens that could be good for research. Also, a U.S. billionaire is leading the charge. His name is John Katzimatidis, and he contacted Kennedy about this in the first place.
All right, test them. They're iconic animals. They deserve to live if they have antibodies.
We mentioned Dr. Oz. He called the farm on Monday, and he offered sanctuary for these 400 ostriches on his ranch in Florida. Now, that's an offer that the farmers say that they are very thankful for, but they're declining. They want to keep their birds, and they want them to remain alive on their farm in Edgewood. The Canadian Food Inspection Agency, they confirmed that they did meet with government officials, but they say they have a duty to protect Canadian health and stop the spread of avian flu. So they say they will proceed with the cull, and not telling us at what time or when it will happen. This all may end up in court, however, as the ostrich farmers have filed an appeal to an earlier court ruling that ordered the cull in the first place.